Hey Sue, I just wanted to do some double checking about in the community to make sure, number one, that you are enrolled, and you are here, you are enrolled in the community, so you should have access. Now I wanted to just go through the discussions and make sure you are accessing them in the way they have to be accessed, and just kind of try to um, eliminate possibilities before I send you to the help desk. Okay, so once you're in the community, you're going to go on the left here and you're going to click on Summer Bee 2019 FLC. So you're going to click into that, and that will take you to this page, which is going to show you all the different weeks. Okay, so let's look at this one, week 5, human resources training. And here you are. Okay, so this shows you how to listen to the training, how to access it. Okay, now when you look at this one here, this is just all you have to do is do the professional development session. To acknowledge that you've reviewed the training, you just click on this link and it takes you right here, and you just fill out this acknowledgement form. That's all you have to do for that. Okay, so I am going to click on this week 5 materials, human resources training. Okay, and then if you go here to the table of contents, you'll see that there are different pages. You can access them by clicking through the table of contents, or you can access them by clicking this arrow. All right, I think it's probably a little easier to go through the table of contents. Now, to get to the discussion board, you are going to click on right here, Summer Bee 2019 Week 5 Check-in. Now, if this does not open automatically, you're going to click here to launch. And there you have the discussion board. Now to post in the discussion, you're going to create a thread, just like you always have done, and then go in that way. So accessing the discussion boards looks a little different. For the most part, everything else is going to work the same, but I want to make sure that you are accessing the discussion board correctly before we go further with our troubleshooting. So just to review, under FLC materials, you're going to go to Summer Bee 2019 FLC. As an example, we're going to go here to week 5, click into week 5. You see the table of contents on the left. Click into the Summer Bee check-in. If it doesn't launch right away, you're going to click here to launch, and then there you'll see the discussion board. You're going to click on Create Thread, and then there you go. And when you are done, you're going to click Submit. All right, let me know if you have any additional questions. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.